Hi all, in previous video we saw how to create a storage account, how to create a container using C Sharp, how to upload a blob, how to get a list of blobs from the container, how to download blobs, link provided in description box. In this video, let's see how to delete and restore a blob in container. Let's see. Here created a sample console application. For using Azure Storage account, we need to install the package azure.storage.blob. For that, right click on your solution name, click manage user packages, install the package azure.storage.blobs. I already installed that. After that, we have to import the namespace Azure, azure.storage.blobs, azure.storage.blobs.model, azure.storage.blobs.specialized. In previous video, we upload the blobs class.png, sample text file.txt. Let's see how to delete it. Here created a sample function for delete a blob. Inside this function, assigned a container name and connection string. In previous video, we saw how to create a container and how to get a connection string from Azure portal that you should provide here. Then created an object for blob service client class. Inside the parenthesis, we have to pass connection string as parameter. Then by using this object, calling the method get blob container client. When calling this method, we have to pass container name as parameter. This method will create an object for blob container client class and append the container details to blob service client URL and return to container client object. By using this object, we can get the blob details. Here, calling the method get blob client, we have to pass blob name as parameter when calling this method. By using this blob client object, we can delete a blob. And here using delete asynchronous method to delete a blob. You can also use delete method without asynchronous to delete a blob. Let's execute and check. See, our blob deleted successfully. Once blob deleted, we can also restore a deleted blob. In previous video, we saw how to enable a soft delete in Azure portal. If you specify 7 days means you can restore a deleted blob within 7 days. Let's see how to restore a blob in C Sharp. Here created a sample function for restore a deleted blob. It's same as like above, except that instead of using delete asynchronous method, we have to use undelete asynchronous method or undelete method without asynchronous. Here before and after restore the deleted blob method, calling the method get blob list of container for showing the list of blobs in the container for checking. Now let's execute and check. See, before restoring our blob contains only one blob. After restoring our blob contains two blobs. So our blob restored successfully. Here we restored the blob by specifying the name of the blob. We can also restore all the deleted blob by using for each like this. Getting all the blob by using get blob method. The status of the blob is deleted and restoring all the blobs which having deleted status. Sample code given in description box. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.